A Clackamas County leader taking a leave of absence amid a scandal. Prosecutors accuse her of taking thousands of dollars, also identity theft and forgery. This is Queen 6 News at 6. Thanks for joining us. I'm Elizabeth Din.
And I'm Ken Body in for Jeff Gianola. Clackamas County Chair Craig Roberts announcing the leave of absence late this afternoon. Joel Jones takes us inside the commissioner's day in court.
Ahead of court, I spoke on the phone with a man who claims he's the senior victim named in some of these court documents. He's in his 80s and says Fireside was no stranger to the family when she allegedly stole from him. I also spoke with Fireside's fellow commissioner who says vulnerable people are exactly the ones their board is designed to protect.
At the end of the day, we're tasked with doing good public service and good work, and we have to have the trust of the public to do that. And right now, this hangs like a dark cloud over the county.
Clackamas County Commissioner Ben West weighing in as fellow County Commissioner Melissa Fireside pled not guilty to charges including felony theft and forgery. An indictment filed last month accuses Fireside of using a computer device to commit theft against an elderly man on at least 2 occasions last September, to the tune of more than $15,000 combined. Prosecutors also accuse her of identity theft, allegedly forging the man's signature and another woman's signature on a promissory note for $29,000 the same month. That woman now identified as Representative April Dobson. In a statement, Dobson says Fireside came to her as a friend last summer for help with her personal business. She then drafted a contract to loan the single mother money on conditions that she would repay her within 1 month. Dobson says she did, but law enforcement later informed her there was an issue with the source of those funds. As a nurse and elected official, West says he finds the allegations unacceptable.
I personally have no tolerance for anybody who would take advantage of a vulnerable senior citizen with cognitive issues and severe health issues, and be predatory in trying to steal significant funding that they need to survive and live.
West says commissioners were briefed on the issue before Fireside upseated incumbent Mark Scholl, but weren't told until after she was sworn in that police issued a warrant and searched Fireside's Lake Oswego home a week before the election. I asked what comes next.
We're going to have to look at policy issues. We're going to have to look at how to protect the county. Currently, she does not have to resign. She can be a felon, and she can still be a county commissioner.
Oregon Attorney General Dan Rayfield issuing a statement in part, "It does not matter who you are or what position you hold. We will aggressively prosecute those who victimize Oregon seniors." New County Chair Craig Roberts also calling the indictment concerning, confirming that Fireside chose to go on leave effective immediately. I did ask her inside the courthouse if she had a comment on these charges. She did not. Her next court appearance is April 28th. Reporting in Oregon City tonight, I'm Joelle Jones, Queen 6 News.